good morning to you all, and on behalf of the entire crew, welcome on board this British Airways flight to Manchester. To help us depart as quickly as possible, would you please place all larger hand luggage securely into the overhead lockers, and any smaller bags which may have been tagged with a yellow label must be placed well forward under the seats in front of you. If you're sitting in the front row seat or in the emergency exit row, the floor area around your seat must be completely clear for takeoff and again for landing. And once your hand baggage is safely stowed, please make yourselves comfortable keeping the aisle clear for all our remaining customers to join us on board. Thank you. We will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, and your attention is essential as these may differ from any aircraft that you've flown on before. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as brace position and location and operation of the doors. In the event of an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides, and high-heeled shoes must be removed as they may tear the slide. Please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. It must be worn whenever the sides are on, and it is fastened and adjusted like this and opened like this. For your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided, and oxygen masks like this will appear automatically. If you are wearing a face covering, this should be removed before putting on an oxygen mask. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you. Place the oxygen mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate, and do make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. Your life jacket is underneath your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece, and there is a whistle and light for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft. Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now, and all handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat, but if it does, please don't move and let one of your cabin crew know. Devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket when not being used in flight. Please ensure your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the lockers carefully, as they may fall out and could injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright and in the takeoff position with the armrest down and your tray table folded away. Window blinds must now be open in preparation for takeoff. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not permitted anywhere whilst on board, and this includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew. Thank you.
a fantastic team of 3, Alessandra, Lisa and Lenka. Special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated and must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take out as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, the use of electronic cigarettes and vaping is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Please note video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. In-seat power is available within your seat area will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks on the bar. In Euro Traveller, we will be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will be followed by pre-purchased items from our Speedbird Cafe. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there's anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. Thank you.
Raised over £26 million to help children living incredibly tough lives in cities around the world and in the UK. This includes funding organisations that are providing essential support for people right now in Ukraine and those attempting to cross the border. Because we believe it's everyone's right to live free from fear, violence and discrimination. If you would like to help, simply place your spare change in any currency into our charity collection bag, which a member of the cabin crew will shortly bring through the cabin. On behalf of British Airways, Comic Relief and the Flying Start programme, we thank you in advance for your continued support and generosity.
cabin crew then seats for landing, please. We are delighted to welcome you to Manchester Airport, Terminal 3. The time here is 11:35 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out causing injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. If you require any assistance here at Manchester Airport, please speak to our ground colleagues who will be happy to help. For those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and our crew will be on hand to assist you. Finally, on behalf of all of us on board and British Airways, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Once again, thank you and have a lovely day.